Student, today we will learn the chapter sequence and series. Student, when we learn in this chapter what is the sequence and what is the series, okay, there are so many series. According to name of some series we will learn some series, but first we have to find out what is the meaning of sequence and what is the series. Okay student, now tell me, if I am writing this number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, can you tell me what is the number will become here? You can tell me. Okay, let you think first. Okay, and I am asking you again here. If we are writing 2, 4, 8, 16, then what the number will become here? Can you tell me? Okay, first think you, then I will be describe you. Let we are writing here 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8. Then you can tell me what I have to write the next term. Can you tell me? Think yourself. Okay, let we start 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 2, 3 square plus 3. Then can you tell me what will be the next number? Think. Yes student, good, you think. Okay, now I think you want to be tell me that here is you are finding, we are adding here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So you can say here will be 12, and here after adding 2 we will get 14, and after adding 2 we will get 16. So you have checked this very carefully and you notice that the next term when we will find, we will have to add 2 in the previous term. Okay, so similarly you can see here, yes, what we have seen, 4 upon 2 equal to 2. So when we multiply it by 2 in the first term, we will get the second term. When we again multiply it by 2, we get 8, multiplied by 16, and we get, okay, so we get multiplied by 2, we get 32, again multiplied by 2, we get 64, and multiplied by 2 we get 128, and so on. Now you can see this one is adding 2 in denominator, so we get here 1 upon 10, and adding 2 denominator we get 1 upon 12, 1 upon 14, and so on. And now you can see here 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 2, 3 square plus 3. So in flow we can say 1, 2, 3 are natural number. So here should be 4 square plus 4, here should be 5 square plus 5, here should be 6 square plus 6, and so on. Isn't it? Okay, very good, you student. You have learned very well. So student, you are telling me that the next term we can find out using a particular rule in the previous term, then we can find out the next term in all. Isn't it? Okay. Now tell me what will be the new term of here 1, 3, 10, 25, 51, 80. What is the new next term? Think. Yes, okay. Good student. Think. You are thinking here so many types. Here is difference 2, here is difference 7, and something the ratio, something as in above you are still looking here. But you are not finding what is the next term. Because we can see there is no relation of next term with the previous term. There is no relation. So we cannot find the next term. Okay, student. Okay, so I want to be say these all are sequence. These all are sequence. Why? These are writing in a line. So these all are sequence. But What is the series? If in a sequence we are using the particular rule to find the next term with the previous term, then they are series. So which are the series? These all are the series, but this is not the series. This is only sequence. Okay, student, are you understanding the meaning of sequence and series? Sequence will be series if we are using a particular rule to find the next term with the previous term. So in any sequence, if next term is related with the previous term with a particular rule, then that is a series. Okay, student. So meaning of series you have already clear, right? In any sequence, if next term is related with the previous term with a particular rule, then using that rule we can find next term. Then sequence is as series. Sequence is known as series or progression. Okay, student. So what is the sequence and what is the series? Are you understanding? So student, I want to be say, according to particular rule, how many series you can find out? According to particular rule, how many series? There are infinite series. Since there are infinite particular rule is okay, but we can say according to rule some special series we can give some special name, okay, as arithmetic progression. In short, it is AP. Similarly, geometric progression, GP. Harmonic series, or harmonic progression, HP, and there are so many other series. Okay, according to particular rule we have given some particular rule for special conditions, right? Some special series. So in any sequence, if we know the name of that series, it means they are the particular series. Okay, if we don't know the name of that series, it means we are using that series by a particular rule, but it is not a standard series. It is using for a particular rule only. Okay, students. So student, now we can say here in the previous example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The difference is equal. The difference is equal, so it is AP. And here we can see the ratio is equal. Ratio is equal. It is GP. And the reciprocal of AP we have seen in the previous example Okay, it is HP, harmonic progression. And other series will be discussed in the next lectures, right student? Now I am telling you in these lectures only what is the sequence and what is the series. Okay students? Okay, let in a series, I don't know or you don't know what is the name of the series. Okay, so it is given only a series. What is the name of this series? You don't know the name, I don't know the name. What is the series? If Tn term, Tn means nth term, Tn term means nth term, nth term Tn is given like this way, 2n plus 1, where n belongs to natural number. So you can find the series according to these conditions. Name is not given of this series, but if this type of the condition is given in the questions, so you have to put here only when n equal to 1, then you get first term, 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Similarly, if you want to find the second term, n equal to 2, you have to put then second term, t2 means second term, 2 into 2 plus 1 equal to 5, and n equal to 3, you want to find third term, 2 into 3 plus 1, 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7, and this way you are finding the series 3, 5, 7 and so on, and your answer will be this. This is the series. Okay, 3, 5, 7. In any series, if you write the answer, you should be used always 3 or more than 3 terms. You should not give the answer in only 2 terms. Right? Okay, student. You have to give the answer 3 or more than 3 terms. Right? Question. Okay. Let question is this way. Find out 7th term if Tn equal to n square plus 1. So we have to find only the 7th term. So student, we can say the 7th term, when we put equal to n equal to 7, we will find 7 square plus 1, 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. So according to this type of the questions, you can find according to given conditions, you can find the series or number of terms which you want to find as here 7th term. Okay student, let another example. Let Tn equal to n square, then find T10 minus T9. So solution is T10 minus T9 equal to 10 square. We are putting here 10 and 9 square. So we get 100 minus 81 is equal to 19. This is your answer. So according to given condition, if you don't know the name of the series, that's no problem. If Tn term is given, according to given conditions, you have to put only value of n, and using conditions you can find the nth term or any series. Okay, let we start one more questions. Let the condition is given this way. Find value of an plus 1 upon an if n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And condition is also given that an equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2. And also it is given a1 equal to a2 equal to 1. So now using these all conditions, we have to find the value of this for n equal to 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Right, students? And this value are also given an minus 1. So first we use this one, a1. We know that this is 1. Right? Now a2. We know this is 1. Now a3. a3 can be right from here. Here is also given n for this value n greater than 2. So in this formula we cannot use 1 or 2. We use only 3. Here it is n greater than 2. Okay. So a3 we can write 3 minus 1 plus a 3 minus 2. We can find a2 plus a1, and it is 1 plus 1, it is equal to 2. Now we want to find a4. a4 again we will using this formula, a4 minus 1 plus a4 minus 2, that is equal to a3 plus a2. So we can say that a4 equal to a3 plus a2. And what is the value of a3? That is the value of a3 we are finding here 2. a2 is 1. Here it is 1. So it is 3. Now find a5. a5 we can find a5 minus 1 plus a5 minus 2. So a4 plus a3. Now a4 we have got it here 3, and a3 we are getting here 2. So we can get it is 5. Okay. Now student, if we want to find a6, we can find here a6 minus 1, a6 minus 2, a5 plus a4. Okay, a5 is we are getting here 5 and a4 is 3. So it is 8. Okay. So this way we can find a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, a6, a6. And now we have to find this value for 1. Okay. So an plus 1 upon an for a equal to 1, n equal to 1. So we can find here 1 plus 1 upon a1, a2 upon a1, and we find a1 2 and this is 1, so it is 1. So for n equal to 2, we have to find here a2 plus 1 upon a2, so it is a3 upon a2. a3, what is the value of a3? a2 is here, we have find 1, and what is the value of a3? In the previous board we can find a3 is 2, a3 2, a4 3, okay, 2 3 5 8. So now it is a3, we are getting the a3, that is 2. So 2 is, so we are getting here 2. Okay. Now for n equal to 3, we are writing here 3 plus 1 upon 3, that is a4 upon a3. a3 is 2 and a4 is 3. Okay. Now we want to find this for n equal to 4. a4 plus 1 upon a4, a5 upon a4, a4 we are getting that is 3, and a5 we are getting a5 is 5. So we are getting 5. So now for n equal to 5, a5 plus 1 upon a5, a6 upon a5, a5 is 5, and A6 is 8. So this way we are getting our answers for n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3 and so on. So we are seeing here, this is your answer, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one your answer. So student, in this lectures I have described about what is the sequence and what is the series, and I have given you that particular name of some series, arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. But in this exercise we have done only some questions which we don't know the name, and we have to find only according to given conditions value of Tn or value of 7th term, value of 8th term and so on. So in the next video I am describing you about the series AP. Okay, thank you for watching this video.